International Women's Day is all about celebrating the achievements of women and seeking to remove the obstacles they face. This year's theme is Be Bold for Change, magnifying the call for everyone to play a part in creating a more gender-equal world. Fortunately, in Jamaica, women and girls are not denied the right to things like education or certain positions in the working world on the basis of their gender. However, there is one area that we need to work on when it comes to empowering our women, and that is where violence against them is concerned. Nationally, Women's Day is being observed under the theme, Unite to End Gender-Based Violence, in order to focus on finding solutions to this national problem. One organization which offers tremendous support to all victims of crime, including gender-based violence, is the Victim Services Division of the Ministry of Justice. Last year alone, the division provided assistance to more than 13,000 victims.
The government provides this support for victims, and it will provide the support from the day you become a victim of crime. It will follow you through the process. If you have to go to court, it has various innovative approaches that is designed to build your capacity to go through your victimization process.
It prepares people for the courts. One of the issues raised, Reverend Bailey, is that the victims, especially of rape and sexual abuse, feel further victimized when they go in the court, when they have to deal with lawyers, with police officers, some say even judges. Do you prepare, especially children, to deal with the court itself?
The court orientation program of the Victim Services Division is one which has gotten the commendation of police and court officials right across this country. It has several components. Well, even before we actually get into the court, we had a phase where we provided technical capacity building for judges and magistrates across the island, prosecutors, police officers, in understanding the dynamics when a person becomes a victim. We also realized that a number of children were being victims of sex crime, and it's traumatic. And we felt we needed to bring just these victims into group counseling to be able to deal with some of the issues. We call it an overcomers program.
The Victim Services Division provides support to all, and the package includes free, confidential counseling for all ages, no matter the victim's gender or sexual orientation. For more information or to get help, contact the division. They're located at 47E Old Hope Road, Kingston 5, or call them at 946-0663 or 946-1709. For the full interview with Reverend Bailey, please tune in to Jamaica Magazine this Sunday on this station, and don't forget, we are all needed to continue the thrust of making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.